In this video, I will show you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Systeme.io. To do this, first go and open up your Systeme.io dashboard and just go to your profile in the top right. Then open up settings and here go to custom domains. Here click on add domain and then just type in the domain name that you bought on Namecheap. So if you're not sure, just open up Namecheap, go to account and then dashboard right here. From there you will need to sign into your account. Then here go to your domain list and then here find the domain that you want to connect. So for me, for example, danimakestutorials.online, and just click manage on that domain. Then you can copy the domain name. Just make sure that when you enter it, you enter www. and then the domain name. Then click save. From there, what it's then going to give you is the DNS configuration. So what you want to go and do first is just copy what it says right here and then open up Namecheap and go to the advanced DNS right here. Now first go and delete any DNS records that you may currently have, because you don't need those if you want to connect with Systeme. From there just go to add new records and add a CNAME record. Now for the host, first enter www and the target, paste in the target that you just copied right here and click on save changes. Now for the one below here, first copy this and then again add a new record and another CNAME. Now first paste in the target, which is the back half right here. And then what you want to do is take here everything that is before the danimakestutorials.online. So for me that's this right here, so just copy that and then here under host paste that in and click save changes. Now once you do that, go back to Systeme.io. Now you can go and close this and then it's pending validation. So it's just going to check if you have added the correct DNS records. If you did in the way that I showed you right here, then you did it correctly and then it will validate. Now this usually takes less than 20 minutes, but it can take up to 48 hours for the DNS records to propagate. So you can either just wait for this to stop pending and to just say ready to use, or what you can do is go to DNS checker and then enter the CNAME and just search, and then in some time they will all become check marks. Now currently it hasn't yet propagated, but once these are check marks, this usually happens before it shows up on Systeme. But once these are check marks and it says ready to use, then you can actually use it and use it on a specific website. So this image right here is pretty helpful. So you have the host is the first section in the top left. So for me, www. For you, it could also be shop, dot, or blog, whatever kind of domain or subdomain you want to use. And then the value is just whatever you see here. And then the second host is just everything before the first dot. And then the value is just everything here on the right. So when you have added these two CNAME records in your Namecheap domain, you did it correctly. So now you know how to connect a Namecheap domain to Systeme.io. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.